We have some really exciting news. Now you can get paid to listen to the radio. That's right, since many of you listen to the radio every day, why not get paid for listening? Simply go to www.brightlove.org/2 and then click on the first Join Now button. Fill out the short info page and submit. Now be sure to check your email and click on the confirmation that they sent you. Now after that, you're all signed up and you're all set to go. But best of all is the fact that there is no fees to join and no credit card to get out. All sites are free for life, and since there are a lot of similar sites out there with similar names on the internet, be sure to click on our link to join the one everyone is raving about. Now you can also get paid to watch short video clips as well. These sites also have games to play, surveys to take, products to try, and offers to complete. And best of all, you get paid for doing all of this. Again, click on the link in the description box on this video and get ready to have a whole lot of fun while making a lot of cash at the same time. Now, we've spent over 18 months trying out many of the sites on the internet and cash sites, and we have the 10 best sites of all. These sites all do as promised and pay quickly. Many people are using these sites as a way to earn extra money as their second job. And many of the sites will also pay you $5 just for taking 90 seconds to join to get you started. All you have to do is just have a whole lot of fun. Good luck and have an exciting time while making some great money for you and your family.